Hello everyone. In our previous video we have seen what is a struct, and in this video we will create our struct variables by using functions. So to do that, first let's define a struct here, and we will start with the struct keyword and then the name. The struct name, it should start with capital letter by convention, and here let's say string brand and new int price, and that's enough. And now let's create a function, but before function let me show you our previous example. This was our previous example, and here as you can see I am hard coding this inside the contract, but it's also possible to create our struct variables by using functions. And let's say create var, and maybe we can use function parameters for that. So I will say string memory brand and uint underscore price, and we will say external. And here maybe we can define the struct, another struct under this one, so that we will see how we can create a second struct, my vehicle 2. So let's copy this name, go down, make it equal, and now we will assign the values of our second struct variable from function parameters here. So I need to here say cars, open parentheses, and first brand will go, and secondly price will go. And that's how you create a struct variables by using function parameters. And now let's return. Maybe now I can delete this one, it was only for information, and maybe I can also make this internal. And now if I want to return this variable, how I can return it? Let's do that. Let's say get var, and we will say external view returns, and to return it here I need to grab the type of the variable, it's cars, and then memory, but it's a complex data type. And now let's say return my vehicle 2, and that's it. Actually everything is done, it's already compiled. Let's now deploy. And here if I now get if I get the variable, as you can see there is no values inside. So but here if you look closely you will see a comma. Here you will see a comma, an empty string, a comma 0, because default value for a string is an empty string and default value for a uint is 0. That's why you see empty string and 0 here. So if I now create our struct variable by using those function parameters, so maybe I will say Mercedes, and for the price maybe it can be 50,000 euros, and transact. And now let's get the variable. You see that's our struct variable now it has values, and that's how you create a struct variable and also return a struct variable by using functions. See you next time. Bye bye.